welcome. Wait. Hey, my assets. I started. You're sure? You're showing red. Yes. You're not showing the mirror. I should. Yeah, stop it. Hi beautiful people, welcome back again to my channel. On today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my new apartment. I got a new place in Lagos, a 2-bedroom apartment or whatever, okay? So follow me and I'm going to show you. This is an apartment tour in Lagos mainland, okay? Forget about the location, but it's Lagos mainland. So come in, follow me. Welcome guys to my humble abode. This is my apartment. Okay, this is a 2-bedroom apartment and I'm going to be showing you guys everything you need to see. Okay, so first off we have this beautiful and looking cozy, aesthetically pleasing sitting area. Okay, so when you come from the door, just by the left is the looking sexy and beautiful couch. Don't ask me why it's yellow and not purple. We'll get to that at the end of the video, so just watch to the end. We have this duvet. It's so cozy, and we have the throw pillows over there. We have the long couch, and then this beautiful table, center table, and the center rug. And then we have this TV and the console area. I ain't got a clue, bro. I said 5 in the morning. So next stop is the visitor's toilet. But before then, this is a beautiful work of art over here. I'm going to show you guys the visitor's toilet. It is not so spacious like the other one, so you're just going to understand that it's visitor's toilet for a reason. All these thoughts I'm troubling, trying to give up my pain, fighting to be on my lane, my mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out, tell you what I need. So after the restroom, the visitor's restroom, I'm going to show you guys the next phase, which is this workspace here. You can see the laptop, the 5G MTN. This is not a promo for them, but you know, it is the easiest thing to use in Nigeria right now. I have this chair and the table, the laptop stand, and everything workspace. I also have this landline that I used to call the security in case I have someone coming over into my apartment. Okay, moving on is this dining area. This is going to be my favorite part in this apartment. I know you'll be wondering why, because number one is I love food. Okay, number two is when I want to eat, I love to be very comfortable when I'm eating. So it brings us to this amazing table. I'm sure if you've been a conversant person on Instagram, you would have seen this table and this chair on most of your favorite influencers' houses, because it is really famous and a lot of people just love it because of it's so simple. That's the point of it all. It's so simple. The tables are minimalistic, okay? It's not that bad. And then we have these blinds, because obviously a classy house like this needs a blind, not a curtain. No offense, but yeah. And the beautiful chandelier. You guys, if you know me, you know me so well that I love beautiful chandeliers. I love great lighting, and as a content creator we need lights everywhere. Okay, you get the gist. Anyways, moving on is my second favorite place in this house, because obviously I love to cook. Okay, let's check my kitchen. Welcome to where the Adon or Idon or whatever, where everything happens, because my tummy is so important. First off, you're going to see the freezer. I'm not showing you what's inside, but I'm just telling you that you have a freezer here and the blender, kettle, yeah, the kettle, microwave, a shelf, and you know, cabinets, more shelves, and the washing basin. And here we have the changeover spots, the solar spots, and all that good stuff. And this is the back door, which I don't think there's going to be a reason to open it at any point. Okay. Yeah, we have the wine and the grocery store over there. We're still taking care of the house, like I mentioned. It's a brand new apartment, so we're still working on, you know, a lot of things. So moving on, I'm going to show you guys the rooms. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's go. So next up is this mini corridor that leads to this room and this room. Like I mentioned, there are 2 bedrooms apartment here. So here we have the dispenser for water. It is very essential to always take water. Okay, stay hydrated, guys. Stay hydrated, kids. So I'm going to take you to this room. This is the visitor's room. Okay, I'm going to show you what it looks like right now. 1, 2, 3, go. Welcome to where the magic happens. I mean, for people that are gonna visit. Okay, so this is the simple looking bedroom area. It has the wardrobe, as you can see there, and this part is where you have to, you know, iron your clothes, press up your clothes if you have an emergency or whatever. And over here we have a shelf, a mini bed shelf that you can just put your phone, plug your phone, and the fan, the blinds, everything. Like, this place is so simple. You guys, you would notice I've been screaming on simplicity. The simpleness or the simplicity of this apartment is crazy. So let me show you the restroom. It's not bad. Come in. Okay, so we have the washing machine, very mini one, because obviously we don't wear too much clothes out here. We just wash immediately. No time to be storing clothes. So this is the restroom area, the bathroom, the shower, and everything is just here. Okay, it has the mirror and the washing basin here, obviously, the washing machine, the hanger for your towels, your laundry, and all that good stuff. Very minimalistic, like I said before. Moving on is the next room, which is the master's bedroom. Come on. So, starting from the entrance of this room, yeah, you're going to see magic. It's door gone, but we'll start from the door, okay? Coming slowly. Yeah. Trust me, it's not a guy that is living here. It's a girl. Okay? Just letting you guys know, just in case the shoes are confusing. It's not a guy, it's a girl. So this is the shoe rack area. Baby! Okay, come inside. Here is the room, master's bedroom. It has a fan just for the solar period, whenever we have to on the solar, and the AC. There are ACs in each room, and the sitting area, there's AC there. There's AC in the other room also. So this is the bedroom. This is the bed. No much drama, so simple. We don't do dramas here, okay? And obviously the side table, which, yeah, is very, very essential. This, the blinds, the wardrobe. Okay, so here is the bathroom. I'm going to show you guys right now.
know it's all your fault. No, I don't want to say no. You broke it down the door. Don't let me go, no. I just wanna hold you. I need no control, no. Would you let me love you? Me love you, it's all over. I lost my composure. I got love to show you. Would you let me love you? Me love you, baby. I got nothing to unwind, nothing slowly. You belong in you, make me feel something. I got my eyes on you, pull like a curtain. I'll be patient with you, no more fighting.
So guys, that comes to the end of my apartment tour. Okay, let me know what part was your favorite part in this house. Okay, meanwhile, this whole 2-bedroom plus the master and the other guest room, everything cost $3,000. Do the math yourself. Okay, yeah, for the rent. All right, and yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section. It is an apartment on the mainland. This is not on the island. I moved to the mainland. Okay, anyways, it's not my apartment. It's not my apartment. It's for my friend. But then I love how simple and everything is. That's why I had to do a tour for you guys. So if you watched to this point, drop in the comment section, Susan, you did this, and also congratulations to your friend in the comment section, and that will mean a lot to me. With that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Always remember to love what you do what you love, be yourself, love yourself, and believe in yourself. I remain your favorite baby girl, Susan Adike, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.